The Easy Post permanent fence made by Horizont Agrar is a fence system that can be installed easily. Here is how it works. It helps to first make a plan of your fencing project, choosing locations for the wooden posts, which will be needed for gates, corners and in rough terrain to secure the wires. Digging post holes is easy with an auger drill. The wooden posts should be the same length as the easy posts. Number and distance of the wires depends on the type of animals you raise and the position of the pre-punched holes for the clips in the easy posts. Transfer the position for the wires to the wooden posts with a marker and drive in the tamps to attach the insult tube onto the posts. A wire dispenser is useful for unwinding the wire from the coil. Begin next to a gate. Fix the dispenser to the ground. The red tag identifies the beginning of the wire. Pull the wire through the insult tube and fix it with the tamps. The wire itself must not touch the wooden post. At the end of the fence, wrap the steel wire around the post and fasten it with a knot in the insult tube. Leave a long tail hanging to use later to connect the wires to each other. After all wires have been put in place, recheck the positioning of the insult tubes before the wires get strained. Wire strainers should be set in areas that are easily accessible. Strain the fence until no wires touch the ground. Recommendations are that the easy posts should be placed about 10 meters apart. Fix the fence wire onto the easy clips. Now the wires must be tightened to 100 kilos. On steep, stony or compacted ground, use easy fix earth anchors to fasten the posts. When all posts have been set, join the wires and build the gate. Between the gate posts, join the wires with an underground cable to avoid disconnection when the gate is open. Use the tails of the wires to connect them. If you bend them, you can fix two wires with a connection screw. Don't forget to join the underground cables. Attach the gate handle insulators. Fix another insulator onto the post opposite for the spring to be hooked in. From a length of the fence of more than 200 meters, tension indicator springs should be added to balance temperature changes throughout the year. Alternatively, you can use the gribble wire joiner instead of a knot at the end of the wire. Using the gribbler tool, the fence can then be tightened to 400 kilos. The insult tubes can be replaced by hot stop insulators in corners and curves. 2 or 3 of them are needed to avoid wires getting in contact with the posts. You can fix the wires easily. At the end of the fence, heavy-duty corner knobs made from porcelain are a solid and highly insulating alternative to the insult tubes. The Easy Post permanent fence made by Horizont Agrar, with its manifold and effective possibilities, blends nicely into any environment. Premium recycled material makes a solid post, and its high amount of new UV stabilized plastic guarantees longevity. you will enjoy your permanent fence.